Welcome to Master English with Noah, the podcast where I help you become an English master in a fun, easy, and interesting way. I'm your host, Noah, and today we're going to explore the aisles of a supermarket together. Shopping is something we all do, and when you can shop confidently in English, life becomes much easier. You can ask for what you need, understand prices, avoid confusion, and feel more comfortable using English in real situations. If you enjoy this episode, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to Master English with Noah. It helps the podcast a lot. Okay, grab your shopping list, and let's dive in. Imagine this. You've just walked into a bright and bustling supermarket. The smell of fresh produce fills the air, and you can hear the faint chatter of shoppers around you. You have your grocery list in hand, and it's time to find everything you need. Are you ready? Let's begin. As you enter, you see the produce section on your right. This is where you can find fruits and vegetables. Let's practice how to ask for help here. If you want to know the price of apples, for example, you could say, "Excuse me, how much are the apples?" If you're not sure about the price of something, don't hesitate to ask. It's a great way to practice your English. Let's pretend you're asking the store clerk now. "Excuse me, how much are the apples?" The clerk smiles and replies, "The apples are $2.50 per pound." Great job. Asking questions like this makes your shopping experience smoother and helps you learn more vocabulary. Now that you've got your apples, let's move on to the next aisle. You need some bread. As you walk, you see signs above each aisle. This is a great way to learn what each section is called in English. When you reach the bread aisle, you might want to ask for a specific type of bread. For example, "Can you help me find whole wheat bread?" Let's practice that together. Repeat after me. "Can you help me find whole wheat bread?" Excellent. And if the clerk shows you the bread, you can say, "Thank you for your help." Now, let's move on to the dairy section. You need some milk. When you get there, you might see different types of milk: whole, skim, almond, and soy. If you're unsure which one to choose, you can ask, "What type of milk do you recommend?" Let's say that together. What type of milk do you recommend? Perfect. Asking for recommendations is a great way to engage with others and improve your vocabulary. Now that your shopping cart is full, it's time to head to the checkout line. As you wait, think about what you might want to say to the cashier. When it's your turn, you can greet them with, "Hello, how are you today?" Let's practice that together. Hello, how are you today? The cashier might respond, "I'm doing well, thank you. How can I help you?" You can then place your items on the counter and say, "Here are my groceries." And if you want to know the total price, you can ask, "What's the total?" Let's say that together. What's the total? Once the cashier tells you the total, you can pay using cash or a card. If you're paying with a card, you might say, "I'd like to pay with a credit card, please." Let's practice that. "I'd like to pay with a credit card, please." And don't forget to thank the cashier before you leave. You can say, "Thank you. Have a great day." Congratulations. You've successfully navigated the supermarket in English. Today we practiced asking about prices, finding items, and interacting with store staff. Remember, every time you practice speaking English, you're improving your skills. Before we end, let's quickly recap some key phrases we learned today. 1. Excuse me, how much are the apples? 2. Can you help me find whole wheat bread? 3. What type of milk do you recommend? 4. Hello, how are you today? 5. What's the total? 6. I'd like to pay with a credit card, please. Feel free to listen to this episode again, or take notes to reinforce what you've learned. And remember, Practice makes perfect. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the supermarket today. I hope you found it engaging and helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy shopping.